Hey guys, what is up? It's All17. Today guys, I want to give you a tutorial on how to use a green screen or use a green screen effect on iMovie. Now, a quick note guys, that this only works for iOS because I do not have a MacBook or any form of MacBook. I only have an iPhone, so this will only work on iOS or iPhone devices. So obviously you first want to create a new project, and also we're going to do a movie. So first select the clip that you want to use for your green screen. Before we do the green screen, we want to add a clip. So here I'm using a MLG shooting gun effect of me getting shot. So we're gonna add where I'm just gonna do a quick cut right here. Okay, now once you've done that, so right here, click the plus button right here. Okay, now you can either press moments if you want to, or video. For me, I'll just go with video for this video. And then go to all of recently added. I'll just do recently added. And then look at the green screen effect right here that you've chosen. Oh, and quick to notice, you also do have to screen record the green screen if you do want to use it. Tip: if you want to use the green screen, quickly screen record that green screen on your phone, and then you can be ready to use it. So once you do that, press the three buttons right here. And then, so you can add it as anything you want, like a picture-in-picture audio only. What you want to do is select the green/blue screen effect, because also you also use it for a blue screen. So select that, and then it'll be added to your video. You might think, well, that's that, right? The cool thing is that you can crop this. You can like edit. You can like edit this as well. So we're gonna immediately go where the shooting begins. Delete this section. And then go to where it stops. Wait, like that. Now we're just gonna drag it to the beginning, and your finished result. Now, the cool thing to do about this is that you can reset it, so if you want to reset the entire thing, you can. But you can also do the strength of the green screen, so if you want to make it just not that good, you can. If you make it really strong, you can. It doesn't really matter, because for this green screen effect, there's nothing really there. But if it does like a watermark, you can get it out. And then you can like crop out the green screen. So say there's like a watermark there, you can crop it out. Like so. You can basically crop the entire thing out if you want to. Or just like a different thing. You like move it about. It's whatever you want to do, You don't. I mean, usually I use it if I want to get like a watermark out, but that's mainly what I use. What you want to do now is that you want to press done, and you have your project right there. And if you want to save your video and keep it, or, if you want to upload it to YouTube, press the middle button right here, and then go to save video. It will then save the video for you, then you can upload it to YouTube if you want. But yeah, guys, that was just a little short tutorial. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe if you have not, and tap the notification bell to get notified of new videos that I upload every so often. But anyways, guys, I'm All17, and I'll see you guys in the next video.